hugs. There's more to a hug than meets the eye. Evie and I will show you why. Morning hugs are slow and sleepy. They come with a kiss right on the cheeky. See you later hugs are quick and tight. They set you up for the day just right. Bath time is for hugs a slippery, tickly, giggly, soapy, bubbly. Round the neck hugs are a thing with us too. Launch like a rocket from behind and say, peekaboo. Side hugs are for when hands are busy with too many things 2 hands can carry. A swing me high hug is tons of fun. A hug and an adventure ride rolled into one. Holding hands are like mini hugs. It's fun when you give it a swing and a tug. A book time hug is snug and cozy as we read our favorite bedtime stories. These are the hugs we do all day. We hope you got some too in any which way. Hug.